Hi everyone, this is Blue Running Water, and I have another poem that I would like to share with everyone today. And the poem is written by myself, and it's named Divine Mother. Okay, and it reads, "We are living on a divine infinite being, expressing herself as Mother Earth. Many beings are here to experience life on her. If only she could receive all the honor, respect that she is worth. She is allowing us to be here to enjoy this magnificent, amazing experience. This is where we all come together to learn and grow. Come to be a part of this grand show. Now the great illusion you might as well know. Mother Earth has been raped, tortured, and taken advantage of by an invasion of her own personal space. From this change that brought great distortion here to this place. A virus, a plague that came about and affected Mother Earth, all her creations, the whole human race. The sacred feminine has been devalued, done away with, and misconstrued. Receiving poor treatment, abuse, and once being and acting downright rude. Creating concrete jungles has been man's duty that eliminates all of her delicate beauty. Technology and consumption has taken over the minds of many, keeping one another away from Mother. So go sit in a park somewhere, reflect, meditate, and listen to her call. Spend time getting to know her because she will always care for us all. So I hope you enjoyed my poem, and just keep a lookout. I'll have many more poems to share with everyone. Take care.